Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Jerry Insurance app, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the Jerry Insurance app on your device, follow these simple steps. First, locate the app on your device's home screen. Press and hold the Jerry app icon until a menu appears. In the menu, look for the option labeled Uninstall. Tap on Uninstall to proceed. A confirmation prompt will show up asking if you want to remove the app. Select OK or Yes to confirm the uninstallation. Wait for the process to complete. Once done, the Jerry Insurance app will be removed from your device. You can now check your app list to ensure it is no longer there. If you're using an iPhone, find the Jerry app on your home screen. Tap and hold the app icon until a small menu appears. Select Remove App from the options given. Then, tap on Delete App to confirm the removal. The app will be uninstalled from your iPhone successfully. For Android users, go to your device's Settings menu. Scroll down and select Apps or Application Manager. Find the Jerry app in the list and tap on it. Look for the option that says Uninstall and tap it. Confirm your decision if prompted. The Jerry Insurance app will now be completely uninstalled. Now you can free up space on your device and enjoy a more organized app list. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.